So I've been using the Apple Silicone case on my iPhone 14 Pro Max for a long time. And so this year I went ahead and purchased the Ornarto case for my iPhone 15 Pro. And I know phone cases are a major essential, especially when you just purchase a new phone, you want to get that phone case to protect your devices. So in today's video, I will be doing a comparison between the two. I've been using both phone cases for a long time now. So I decided that let me go ahead and share my experience. So let's go ahead now and start with the iPhone 14 Pro Max with this silicone case. So as you know, I've been using the iPhone 14 Pro Max for over a year now, and I can say that the case that I'm using on this has hold up really well, but you could see some serious damages on this case right now. So if you look over here, you can see the chip right there, and you can see more chips down here as well, right here, and there's another chip up here as well. So I can say that even though I've been using this one right now for over, I think, 3 months. I can say that the phone case has held up really well, but I can say that it really damages itself over a long period of time because sometimes I even put it in my pocket, I even put it down on the decks, and I even have it inside my bag, and sometimes I put it down here and there. But overall, I believe that the silicone case is still one of the best case to get, even though the condition that it is in. I decided that I wanted to get the black one, but I'm looking to get an upgrade soon. So I'm probably going to get the red one, the silicone case, or the blue one this year because this one is really damaged. As you know, the silicone case also comes with MagSafe, and that's really important. Even though the phone itself have a MagSafe as well. So if you put it on a MagSafe stand, just like so, like this one right here, you would see that it will stick to it and it will charge your device, and that's really cool. But it also have a stronger magnetic here with the iPhone that if you put it right there, it will still charge as well. And this is one of the most important thing that people want to do today in today's world, that they want to have like that wireless charging and don't have to just plug in their devices and charging devices. So you can buy like a MagSafe stand like this one where you can have like your Apple Watch charger, you can charge your iPhone, and you can also charge your AirPods as well behind there, and that's really important. That comes with this case. You also have the nice area that I open up for the iPhone 15 Pro here for the switch button. You also have the volume up and down button. There you also have the power off and power on button here. Those buttons are still intact, and as you can see down here, you have a few little chip right over here, and you have some more chips over here as well. But overall, this area still holds up really well. So I can say that over a time of durability, using the silicone case on your iPhone will succumb to some damages, some chips, and here and there. And that's the purpose of this video, is to actually get to see the case, how it actually holds up over a long period of time. Get your feedback as well. Have you been using a silicone case on your iPhone? How is it? Has it all up really well? Is it succumb to damages, or it's still really intact and everything is okay with it? The next one that I'm going to talk about is the Ornarto case. So I went ahead and purchased the iPhone 15 Pro over a few months now, and I decided that I wanted to get a case for it. Even though I know that MagSafe already come with this case, it is really important. And if I go ahead here and open up this case here, I've been using it for a good period of time, for over a month now, and I can say that it holds up really well. And what I can say, you get the Ornarto sign inside here. You also get case for the iPhone. So it's a silicone case. You can see silicone there. And it could also said here on the box, say for the iPhone 15 Pro. They also have for the 15 Pro Max, 14 Pro Max, and various amount. I'll leave a link for it down in the description if you want to go ahead and get this one. What I could say about this case though is that because I have sweaty palms, so this case tend to have my sweaty hands right there, and you can see my hands are sweating right now. But this case get dirty really easily. So if you have this case in an area where you have fuzz and those things, I have to clean this case and I have to use my lint remover to remove all the furs and those things that's on this case. I don't use anything else to clean this case but a lint remover. So if you purchase this case, you would need a lint remover to clean this iPhone phone case here for the iPhone 15 Pro. So you can see here they have the overall cutout notch here, and this is really nice. They have a really nice bump around here that could protect your iPhone camera in case you get a drop. So that's really, really cool. You can see how large the bump is. You also get the action button here, the volume up and down button here, and you also get the power on and power off button here as well. This is really, really intact and it press really, really well. I will demonstrate that in a bit. You can see here you got the section for the speakers and the section for the charging there as well. As you can see, if you take a look on this case, I've been using it for a good while now, for a month, and I can say that it really holds up really well. You couldn't see any chips or any damages to it. So let me go ahead and show you. But the thing about it is that when I have this case inside when I put my phone inside the case here, you can see that it's pressed in really well. It's working really well. Everything is working fine with this case. There's no right there, so there's no issue at all. If I long press here, you can see that it will demonstrate the action button for silent. That's what I set it for. Volume up and down button working really well. Power on and power off button working really well as well. So that's really, really cool. And you also see here you have the section for the charging, and it also works with MagSafe. So if you're using MagSafe on your device like this one, you can see that it will work and it will start charging. As you can see, MagSafe is on this one. You could also turn it around. But the thing is that what I don't like about it is that I think that it's a little bit too weak for my liking. You understand? If I try to put it up here, it's not strong enough. As you can see, it's not strong enough, so it's like coming off. That's the downside of this Ornarto case, that it don't hold up really well with the MagSafe charging, but it will hold up sometime, but the magnet is not that strong because it don't have MagSafe with it as well. All the time it works really well is when the phone case is down like this. That's when it really works. And you can also get the standby features. So that's the downside of this, that you could still get standby with it and so on, but the case doesn't hold up really well with the charging, with MagSafe charging or wireless charging. So if you take a look on both cases, I actually like this color. This color really stands out with the iPhone 15 Pro, especially with the titanium finish. It really stands out really, really nice. So I can say that I really like this case. I probably will go and get the silicone case with the MagSafe on it, so that would be much easier. Only if you want to charge the device outside of the case, you could still use MagSafe or wireless charging, but like to hold it and have MagSafe charging, you have to have it flat on the surface like so. So you get one of those flat surface one, but when to hold it on, the magnet is not strong enough on the iPhone to connect to the magnet that's on the MagSafe charging, or you have to probably get a stronger MagSafe charging to use and charge your devices. And I can say about the silicone case here, it's really, really all up well. You could still see that you have a bump here, but I still believe that both bumps are similar, or to me they're both similar. So this phone case actually emulate this phone case here, so they created a little bit to emulate or to make it similar to the silicone case from Apple. So that you can see here, you can see all those smudges and fingerprints and all that on the iPhone 14 Pro Max here with the silicone case. You could see that you couldn't see it too much on this one, but the cleaning of both products, I don't really clean this much. I use like a dry cloth with some spray to like wipe down the phone case and make it dry for the iPhone silicone from iPhone 14 Pro Max here. So that's the one I use to clean this one. But I can say that they hold up really, really well. I really, really like both cases. Both cases hold up really, really well over a long period of time. I think it's overdue now that I get a new case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max right here, because I've been using this case for a long period of time. Then I'm using this one here for 1 month now. So let me know, guys, what you think about this video, and let me know what you think about the cases. What case are you using on your iPhone? Is it silicone? Is it the fine woven cases that came out since recently you guys are using on your devices? And let me know, guys, what you think about this video, and also leave a like, share and subscribe to the channel if you like this video as well. Thank you for watching. Odain here. See you next time.